Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add your business to Google Maps. All right, let's begin. First, open Google Maps on your phone. This works on both iPhone and Android. Zoom into the exact area where your business is located. Then tap and hold on the spot to drop a pin directly at your business location. Next, swipe up to reveal the details at the bottom of the screen. You will see an option that says, Add your business to Maps for free. Tap on it. Enter your business name and select the correct business category that matches your work, then click on Next. Google will ask if you want customers to visit your location. Select Yes and tap Next. Now enter your complete business address, including street, city, state, and zip code, then continue. Google might suggest nearby businesses that are not yours. Simply scroll down and select None of these. After this, you will need to provide additional details like your phone number and other business information. Finally, Google may ask you to record a short video for verification. Complete that step and your business will be successfully added. So that's basically how you can add your business to Google Maps. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.